Hello, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Thai coconut soup. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Aside rice, I read some of the best side dishes to serve with your Thai coconut soup include noodles, grilled chicken, spring rolls, and fresh vegetables. What side dish do you enjoy with your Thai coconut soup? Let me know in the comment section. For this recipe, I will be using fresh garlic, ginger, 1 lemongrass stalk, onion, green onion, 1 tablespoon of red curry paste, some chicken, prawns, creamy coconut milk, chicken broth, jalapenos or what you know as the green chili, 1 spicy red chili, and some lime juice. First, I'm going to grate my garlic, ginger, and the lemongrass stalk, and I'm going to slice my onion, my green onion, and my chili. Now that this is ready, I'm going to set aside and proceed to frying my prawns, and I'm going to fry with 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also proceed to frying your chicken after your prawns are ready. For me, I will be using boiled chicken or have some chicken at home which I deboned and just sliced. I'm going to be using that, and you can also use some mushroom. You can also use some mushroom in place of chicken. For this recipe, I would also be using chicken broth. You can replace yours with vegetable broth. I would not be using extra seasoning since my chicken broth is well seasoned. Now that everything is ready, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil into my pan and fry my grated lemongrass stalk, ginger, and garlic. And I'm going to add a 1 tablespoon of red curry paste to it. I'm going to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and after which I'm going to add in my onion and my sliced chili. Once everything is well combined, I'm going to add in my coconut milk and boil under medium heat for about 7 minutes. And now I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients one after the other, and also I will be adding some fresh parsley to it. What secret or special ingredients do you include in your Thai coconut soup recipe? Kindly let me know in the comment section. A warm welcome to all my new subscribers and everyone coming across my channel for the first time. My name is Tux Delight. I post easy and yummy meal recipes. Sometimes I also post non-related food recipe. Ensure you click the notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. For those that will be trying this for the first time, do not forget the lime. The lime helps to balance the taste, and there's just this completeness it adds to it. I will be pairing mine with some freshly cooked rice. And that will be all for today's video. Do not forget to like the video, comment, and share. And if you are watching for the first time, kindly leave in the comment section where exactly you are watching from, and let's connect more. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.